MeghalayaPost.news.
Kan Nirmala Sitharaman, kabadai Menteri Jong Sarkar Padang badai pej Ketenat Finance and Corporate Affairs mentaga singikal play pej baek yang Northeast India's largest organic spice processing plant jong ke Eastern Ribhoi Organic Farmer Producer Company Limited hakusnong lum dait kla Bhoirymbong. Ya ketika organic spice processing plant heh tam hagathan chatai lamingi latoi hagajinglut kabalakot kumbalai poklur blabaiting kada ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency lingba ka focus program bat ka International Fund for Agricultural Development hapo ka Meghalaya Livelihoods and Access to Markets Project Meghalaya. Lingba ketika karkhana kanong kejimentoi ke bakrau kinong rap ban kentiu ke yo kokot jongki ha ka baki marrap jongki nadu using shunrai somerin kinla bandi ha ka waipat kador hadian bladap teliat bat penmi ha ka waipat karukom ha ka balak milin tiru bo onla ban penmi kumba 10,000 metrik ton tam usunrai using usomerit bat kiwi ki ban anjung mentoi ya kumba 1,000 sanspa ngut kinong rap bat ka jula Meghalaya kamdon kamshu ban shania nabar bat kan longru ke jingkieng ya ki marrap shakiyau kihan ha ka baki nong rap kin kiyo ha ka yo kakon Shushu hagani kasngi kaladan ru kajing soy bat IT markliang yaki Memorandum of Understanding MOU hapdeng ki company bapher bat ka Eastern Ribhoi Organic Farmer Producer Company Limited pankentiu bat penya yau yaki te maram hagani kasngi la sakhiru da kajing don lang menteri rang ba kajela Konrad K Sangma menteri rang ba kajela Sikkim Prem Singh Tamang uba prestun tensong sembut menteri rang ba kajela ka kenhun ki menteri sarkar kajela ki MLA ki officer na kajela bat ka district Ribhoi bat ki wei habakuran hagani kasngi na kleong Konrad Sangmau lapan pau ke jingsong kuman ke bakrau ba kejela Meghalaya kalaki usha prang haki kampen roy ber kamtam ke jingiram na kamta kinongrap maka sorkar kala simkhia kerpang leng babun teliki skim ba kinongrap kinyeng halaki jongki kejan batru kin ki usha prang haka kamai bat kayo ke kon ulo ongru bakani ke kamrap kamreang kadai ke baki pajba kilale nadu ki por ba menshua henry ke sorkar kala simkhia ban penjonai ki kumnu bandang kentiu susu ya ki jingpenmi bat kador jongki marap hadian baladap sanya ki hakarukom ke bapaka katkum kajuk ke bamenta berkemi lentiru bakum kini ki projek kindangwan susu ha kajela nakaliang kan Nirmala Sitharaman habakuran hagani kasngi kalaong bakariboi district kadai kawaina ki district ha kajela kabalatip kum ke aspirational district bat kamslam shu bakani ka district kan mi no na katai ka thum hadian baklakon syakathong ha kabayadei bat ki kampen roy bat a ka jingiro ka bakraw ya ka jingsiso jong katai ka projek bansanyi ki marram nadu using usunrai bat usomret bat kani hi kan kentiu ya kayo ka kot kinongram baru ka jingki syaprang jong kajela kala airu ka jingiro ya ka kenhun jong Konrad Sangma kumunong yalam ubal simkhia ban penurlong sibun ki projek hak ni jela berkemi lenti banadu kinong rap kinyo ya ka jingmentoi na ka sorkar na markum kini ki jaj projek bat ki mar balade penmi kinom kot tang hak jela henry kin poi sekeleng ka perthai da ka ba ainuk saru kumusunrai la kadong usunrai bala penmi na ka jela Meghalaya bat ubala paunam hakeleng ka perthai halor ka jinglong kerpang jong u balangit ru bodai sunrai na ka benta ka kot ka khia
Initial few years, government funded, then we supported, and we get the the farmers to be connected to it. They run it, they do everything, and this model has worked out well. Initial, yes. Only the capital investment
and the big working capital.
Yeah, working capital. Yes.
We are all collected here to witness the inauguration of this important processing unit here in Eastern Ribhoi, where the units will be able to cater the farmers of this area to reach out to their finished product. And I'm very sure this processing units will really boost up the farming activities that you have here in the Eastern Ribhoi. Madam, as you are also aware, Meghalaya is having a maximum farmers in the state of Meghalaya, where we have already calculated not less than 4.5 lakh farming households are here in the state of Meghalaya. Madam, under the leadership of our Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma, a number of initiatives has been initiated, have been started, and we are so thankful. I'm deeply thankful to you, ma'am. You are always there with us. You always help us. We are as we are today, especially for the inauguration of this important project, is because of your blessing. So thank you so much, ma'am. On behalf of the farmers of the state, we salute you, and we would also like to see that your blessing will continue upon us.
It has been the endeavor of our government to precisely make those small changes in our farmers' lives. For us, one of the most important driving factors, and for me, maybe one of the most important objectives, is to be able to make a positive difference in a person's life. And I always tell even a large gathering that for me, when I can make a person smile and I can impact their lives, which would lead to them smiling, I think that is the greatest satisfaction that I can get. And for me, that is maybe one of the most important motivational factors also. To be able to see a smile on my citizens' faces. Today, 11 such units are functional throughout the state. On an average, each unit supports on an average 5,000 farmers. That means about 55,000 lives and families have been impacted by these small steps that we have taken. And I was just telling Madam before I came here to speak that we did not invent what is happening out here. The people have been doing this for ages, for years if not decades. And they have invented the wheel. We are only trying to ensure that we take it one notch up. So therefore, these systems were existing. People were already doing what they were or what they are doing right now. We just simply made it better. We selected the correct groups. We went into their backgrounds of seeing the kind of passion and commitment that they have. Because for us, maybe that is one of the most important qualities we look for in any human being or any group, is are they passionate enough? And we are very clear about that because it is the passion that will get them through the difficult phases. And these groups have proven their passion beyond any doubt. And therefore these selected groups were picked up. Government came in. We started supporting them financially. We brought in experts. We started giving them better training, better facilities, and better market accessibility. And while we say that, I'm not saying that we are done. We have got a long way to go. But I can get a sense that we are in the right direction.
Have always fascinated me. And there is a beautiful expression which I would want to recall here with my limited familiarity with the language, and therefore pardon me for the pronunciation if anything is wrong. Hai im sukim tengen im plie para bindriyu. I don't know if it makes sense to you. A good life is one lived in peace. This is what I understand of that expression. A good life is one lived in peace, contentment, and harmony with fellow human beings. So now are you able to recall the line in Kasi? Ka im sukim tingen im plie para binriu. Am I okay? You would want to say it out in the mic once so that they really know. What is that verse? Am I saying it right? You want to say it there? Global agenda. The people of Meghalaya were already practicing many of its principles through their way of life. That's the expression, and therefore you see that sustainable way of living has been part of the Meghalaya people's life. You remind us that May Ramu, Mother Earth, is indeed to be honored. Indeed, the sacred groves of Meghalaya, the Law Kintang, preserved across centuries of reverence, stand as the most shining example of the community-led ecological conservation anywhere on the earth. As Kasi wisdom reminds us, Husiar la kha le bindriu, lovan kha late kila hedian habud. I'll give you the meaning so you probably know what I'm trying to say. Our actions eventually return to us through their consequences. You're able to get the original Kasi line? Husiar la kha le bindriu, lovan kha late kila hedian habud. So our actions eventually return to us through their consequences. The golden words in the Kasi language. This is especially true in agriculture, where the choices we make today about soil, about water, and about the inputs determine the resilience and productivity of tomorrow. The future of agriculture increasingly belongs to those who produce not merely more, but better, cleaner, safer, more traceable, and more sustainable products. In this emerging premium economy, Meghalaya enjoys a natural advantage, and that many regions of the world are still trying to create. This is the Virasat of Bharat. The facility we inaugurated today is the culmination of nearly a decade of institution building by the Eastern Riboy Organic Farmer Producer Company, established in 2017 and now comprising of 500 organic farmers from 9 villages. What you actually achieved in these years is of remarkable milestone, which many units all over the country, I would strongly recommend, emulate, come and see, and also learn from you all. Supported through the Government of India's mission, which is a mission which I heard abbreviations of, Mission Organic Value Chain Development, MOVCD, for Northeastern region.
MeghalayaPost.news